Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Diwali decor miniature house which is made using cardboard, paper strips and some quilling decorations. So I will share each and every step from scratch, how to create background, how to make the door, how to make the beautiful cute miniature lamps along with lantern, toran, curtain bands, everything. And this is looking super cute. Also I have added the lights, which is the festive lights to decor my house. And without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking 5 mm cardboard strip and just dividing it in small pieces to create the bricks. This is 2 mm thick cardboard. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of pieces. Now taking a cardboard piece which measures 10 by 12 centimeters. Here I have added 2 layers together to create thick base. Now from top I am starting attaching these bricks by leaving little gap. And adding the bricks till the end. So this is covered. I kept the center part as it is because the door will come in the center, so it's not necessary to add the bricks in the center part. Now I am adding lots of mixture of glue and water on top of this using my flat brush and covering this whole area using tissue paper piece to give nice realistic look of the wall. Blend it nicely using mixture of glue and water and allow it to dry completely for a few hours. So this is completely dried and it's looking nice. Now here I am taking this cardboard piece which is 2.5 by 10 centimeters. I have just folded at 1 centimeter and this is the roof of our door. Now in the broad portion I am adding glue and connecting these bricks which is 2 by 1 centimeter white cardstock. I have just cut from the bottom in U shape to give nice roof effect. And now leaving little gap, I am connecting these bricks to give nice roof effect. Like this. Then I am sticking this on top of the wall. And this is ready. Then it's time to color our house. So here I am taking light yellow color and I have mixed white with little bit of yellow to create nice lemon yellow color. So I am covering whole wall piece using the same shade. And for the roof I am taking here brown color. So our house is completely colored. Then to create door, here I am taking 4.5 by 0.5 centimeter white cardstock strip. So we need total 5 strips, and I am adding all 5 strips together to create nice thick stick. And this is ready. Similarly, prepare 2 more long strips which are made using 8 by 0.5 centimeters, and these are also made using 5 strips. Now taking one white cardstock strip and connecting these sticks on top of the white cardstock base to create the door. Just sanding the base to make it smooth. Cutting the excess cardstock from side. And the basic door shape is ready. Then I am coloring my door using same yellow color which we use to color our house. Like this. Then the edge I am covering with same brown color. Then adding the center stick, which is 3.5 by 0.4 centimeter, made with same procedure just like we did the outer one. Then taking 2.2 by 0.4 centimeter stick and adding on both sides. After that, in the bottom I am adding 4.5 by 4 centimeter cardstock bunch, and the door is getting shape now. Then on top I am adding one small piece of acetate sheet using my B7000 glue to give real window effect. Burnish it nicely and it will look like this. Then I am sticking the door exactly in the center of our house. Then I am taking here 10 by 0.5 centimeter thick bunch of sheets. Here I have added 12 sticks together using white cardstock strips and colored with same brown color. And also I have covered the window using brown color 3mm strips for finish. Now here I am taking 3 by 0.5 centimeter sticks and adding as the balcony, and on top I am adding 2.5 by 0.5 centimeter stick. Similarly adding on right side. And for the door latch, here I am using small pieces of toothpick and adding it on the door like this. So the house with door is ready. Then here I am taking 3 by 7 centimeter pattern paper strip. I have just creased at 0.5 centimeter gap. So folding at the crease part and making the zigzag shape. Here I am showing you how to make the curtain. Then adding glue on the 1/3 part, hold it like this and the curtain is ready. I just wrapped one golden dory in the glued part to give nice realistic curtain effect, and similarly I have prepared one more, so adding other curtain on right side. Then on top I am adding this same cardstock strip which I cut in scallop shape. And it will look like this. So pretty. Then I am showing you how to make small earthen lamps. So here I'm taking brown color clay, pinching on the palm using backside of paintbrush and just shaping it like a bowl. I have just mixed little bit of brown color in cold porcelain clay to create the same geru color effect, and the lamp is ready. Just pinching it on one corner to give real diya effect and allow it to dry. So cute. Then taking here small piece of cotton, making a small wat or the string of the diya, putting it inside the diya using glossy varnish to give oil effect. And after drying, it will give nice gloss effect like a real oil. So the diya with bati is ready. Similarly, I have prepared total 6 diyas. Now I am showing you how to make lantern. So here I am taking one strip of pink color in 3 mm and making one triangle shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I am taking one strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one diamond shape. With the same method, I have prepared one more diamond shape. And after that, I am taking one strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one rectangular shape. Similarly, made one more rectangular shape. So all the shapes are ready. Now it's time to construct the lantern. So first I am wrapping orange color strip around this shape. And then on top and in the bottom I am adding rectangular shapes. Then decorating with some ball chains and some stone. Sticking it on the left side of my house. And for the bottom hangings, here I am taking 1/8 strip of pink color in 3 mm and making open coils like this and sticking it one by one. So this is done. Then I am adding top string, that is the hanging of lantern, using this decorative diamond lace, and using same diamond lace I am putting it on the balcony, on the door, in the bottom and on the roof to give lighting effect, that is the series of lights. And then it's time to stick our handmade diyas on the balcony. So 3 I am adding on both sides. And this is completely ready. Then at the end I am showing you how to make the marigold flower toran. So here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 5 mm and just folding it twice like this, making a fringes using my scissors. Open it, and we need 1/4 strip for one flower. Now take the quilling tool and start rolling the fringe strip to create fringe flower. Open all the fringes carefully, and at the center I am adding one dot of orange color to give nice depth. And with this similar method I have prepared lots of marigolds. Now taking back my house, and I am connecting these flowers in the scallop pattern to give Toran effect. And between these flowers I am putting leaf shaped green color piece to give mango leaf Toran effect. And the beautiful and super gorgeous Diwali Decor Home Showpiece is ready. If you want, you can add small plants on both the side of doors. So the decoration part is all up to you. You can extend it as your desire, and you can also convert this small house into fridge magnet. Just add one small magnet on back side, or also you can convert this into greeting card. Just put one thick cardstock on back side to make it as a card. Isn't it a great idea? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications, and tell me how you decorate your house in the Diwali. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.